Alright, guys, I'm going to run this for Robert Wojak. He's got the jersey from today's game. We're going to go live, 6:01 p.m. We will type live on the post. We are live. 6:01 and 6:01. We're going to grab the list here, 10 spots. And we're going to drop that into random. 10 entries. Derek on the bottom, Pete on top. Alright, we're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 9. That's good enough. We're going 9 times. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 times. Dice shows a 9. Next click. The top spot wins. Good luck. And 9. Congrats to Derek. Spot number 9. You are the winner. Get in touch with Robert and collect the jersey. We are done. 6:02 p.m. Go back. We will type done. We are done. 6:02 p.m. 6:02 p.m. Here is the verification and the timestamp.